This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Lesli Beasley. Beautiful, bright, immaculate, one large bed, one bath condo located in a desirable location centrally located near WWU, shopping, restaurants, downtown and Fairhaven. Its open floor plan and large windows makes it live larger, plus it has a large deck to enjoy the view and professional landscaped grounds. Secure locked lobby entrance, elevator, bike storage and great exercise facility. Plus, one reserved parking space, bus line right out front of complex and daily shuttle to WWU. It doesn't get any better. It won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Lesli Beasley at 360-671-500.